Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can flip an image in Gimp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Gimp. So the first thing that you need to do guys is to add an image. So you can go to the top left corner of Gimp and then click on File. Once you click on File, go ahead and click on Open. Or you can also click on Ctrl+O on your keyboard. So once you click on open, you need to choose the image that you want to edit from your PC. So for example, I'm gonna choose this strawberry and then click on open. And now, as you can see guys, the image is added to GIMP. You can click on Shift+S in order to scale the image, change the size, or change the position of the image. And once you finish, go ahead and click on scale and you're good to go. So right now, in order to flip the image, go ahead and right click on the image. Once you right click on the image, go ahead and search for image and then hover your mouse over it and then go to this second menu. In this second menu, search for transform. Once you hover over transform, go to the third menu and right here, you're gonna find flip horizontally, flip vertically, rotate 90 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees counterclockwise, rotate 180 degrees, and lastly, arbitrary rotation. So we're gonna click on flip vertically, and as you can see guys, the image is now flipped. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.